Sometimes we don't notice how fast life changes. One moment, you're laughing with the people you love, but in the next day, everything is different.
I can't believe this. 2 months na lang, matatapos na finals natin, and malapit na graduation? Time is really wild.
That's right. I won't have to see your face again.
Ay, wow!
For Jace, maybe you should worry about passing your final first before graduating.
Nice, pinagtanggol kasi crush niya. Ay!
Before na mabisi tayong lahat, magpo-photo muna tayo. Kahit isa lang.
Luna, okay ka lang? You've been quiet all day.
Hindi. Okay lang ako. Pagod lang siguro.
There is always someone who smiles even when their heart is carrying something heavy. Something isn't right, and we didn't even notice at all.
I'm setting up this camera, guys. Come on. Alright, for the first picture, maybe smell na lang. And then the second picture is walking along.
Ganto ba? Ganto ba?
Luna, bakit meron ganito? Oncology department?
Oncology? Iba pang cancer treatment to?
Sometimes the truth doesn't come from a confession, but from something a person never meant to drop.
Okay, guys. Ayaw ko sanang sabihin sa inyo to, guys. Kasi syempre, ayaw kong makawan niyo ako or parang mag-iba yung tingin sa akin.
Tingin mo, iniwan ka na lang namin ng ganun-ganun na? Hindi ka nalaban ng mag-isa na.
Why did you carry this along? Alam mo naman, nandito lang kami.
No, we still have this picture, guys. But now, at least we know the truth. Come on, guys, let's have this picture.
In that moment, no one tried to be strong. No one pretended to be okay. They just stayed, but now it is closer than before. Some photos capture smiles, but some captures a promises. We took this photo thinking it was for Luna. We smiled, trying to make her strong. We thought we knew how the story would end, but life has a different way of surprising us. It was all imagination. It's just us, just the 6 of us.
Luna, promise me something, okay? Dapat sama-sama tayong graduate.
Of course. Sabay-sabay tayong mag-graduate.
Maika failed the test, so her mother was disappointed on her. Killing herself is the only way to solve her problems.
She's gone, guys. She didn't make it.
It turns out Maika was the one we lost first, not Luna. It is the girl who smiled the brightest, was the one carrying a pain we never saw.
Sama-sama tayong graduate.
Don't wait to love people loudly. Don't wait for the right moment. Because sometimes, the one you worry least about is the one who leave first.